Let's look at in-class exercise 3.1, one-way ANOVA. The independent variable is processing levels, and the dependent variable is number of word recalled. First, you enter the data into SPSS. Here is your data view. You should have two columns. The first column is processing level. It has 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second column is number of word recalled. Then this is a variable view page. For processing level, you should code the values with the label. 1 is counting, 2 is rhyming, 3 is adjective, 4 is imaginary, and 5 is intention. After entering data, you can run a one-way ANOVA following these steps. Click on Analyze. Click on Compare Means and Proportions. One-way ANOVA. Put the outcome variable into dependent list. Put the group variable into factor. In Options, check Descriptive, Fixed and Random Effects, Mean Plot, and then OK. You should have ANOVA source table. As you can see, SS between is 351.52. DF between is 5 minus 1, it is 4. Mean square between is 351.52 divided by 4, it is 87.88. Now look at the second row. SS within is 435.3. DF within is 45. Mean square within is 435.3 divided by 45. It is 9.67. SS total is SS between plus SS within. It is 786.82. DF total is DF between plus DF within. It is 49. The F score equals to MS between divided by MS within. So it is 87.88 divided by 9.67. The F score is 9.09, and it was significant. We have SS between here, and we have SS within. SS within tells us the total variance in the individual difference within each group. In one-way ANOVA, we treat SS within as an error term because we want to minimize individual difference or individual fluctuations within each treatment group. Here is the result for in-class exercise 3.1. Processing level has a significant impact on word recall. F445 is 9.09. P is less than 0.001. Eta square is 0.45. Approximately 45% of the variation in word recall was explained by processing levels. As we recall from last class, one-way ANOVA belongs to the general linear model family. The GLM for one-way ANOVA is Yij equals to mu plus tau j plus Eij. Yij is the word recall score for a particular subject in the J treatment condition. Mu is the ground mean. Tau J is the group mean. And EIJ is the error term related to that specific individual. Now let's move to two-way factorial ANOVA. For the 5×2 factorial ANOVA, we have 10 combinations of two factors, 5 processing levels, and 2 age groups. We have 10 cells. When we look at the variance, SS total stays the same as the one-way ANOVA. SS total refers to the overall variance among all the subjects in the dependent variable. SS between group becomes SSL because now we have two groups, the processing level groups and the age groups. Therefore, we cannot use between group. We need to use SS between cell. It is a variation among the 10 cells. In one-way ANOVA, we had SS within. We refers to SS within group. Because we have two groups, we cannot call it within group anymore. In fact, we need to call this SS within cell. It is the variation or individual fluctuations in each cell, such as the individual difference in the counting and the old group cell. Basically, the first 10 people highlighted with the blue. We also treat this SS within cell as an error because we want to minimize the within cell individual difference variance. Because we have two groups or two group variables, processing levels and the age groups. So this SS cell, including 3 components. It includes SS group 1, SS processing level. It including SS group 2, SS age group. And it including SS the interaction between processing level and age group. Therefore, the sum of squares for cell, including sum of squares for factor A, plus sum of squares for factor 2, plus the sum of squares for the interaction between group A and group B. This figure presents the partitioning of sum of squares variability in a two-way ANOVA. SS total includes 2 parts, SS within and SS between. Now we call SS between as SS cell because we have 10 cells. SS cell including variability due to factor A, the processing levels, and the variability due to factor B, the age groups, as well as the variability due to the interaction between A and B. If we understand the partitioning of the variance underlines two-way ANOVA, we can work on in-class exercise 3.2. You can download the in-class exercise from Canvas in files, and then start reading this question and working on the questions. After you're ready, you can start the next session. Two-way factorial ANOVA, part 3.